Hey guys, just Jani. I'm going to show you how I made this cute little tabby necklace with the grapes on it. This is a nobility plate. I forget the name of the pattern, but I started out with a 2.5 inch long piece of a spoon handle. So something like that. So 2.5 inches. And then the first thing I did, I do have a bender press from Flat Wearable. So I'm going to curl this top around. You can see exactly what I did there. I'm going to curl this top forward. I should turn that over so it's not upside down. So curl that over, and then I'm going to mark this 3/4 of an inch from the bottom and bend it up to meet the top. You can see it's not perfectly closed. I may try to close that a little better, or I may just leave it because I don't think it's going to fall off of a chain if it's on there. So start with your 2.5 inches, and then we're going to go bend. Okay, on the bender press, I have the smallest round peg. And I'm going to start with this smallest channel. And I'm just going to do the top, not the end with the grapes, just the top. I still think you can make this even if you don't have a bender press like this. This just makes life a lot easier because I don't have to do so much hammering to hammer it around. And let the arbor press do the work. Okay, so at this point, I'm going to stop because it gets kind of crooked. Actually, I'll move this over here real quick. You can see. It's better to keep it in line now than try to fix it when you're done. So I've got a pretty good J there. So next I just put my steel block. And again, I'm just letting the arbor press do the work for me. I'm sure this could be hammered out and done so many ways. So you can see I'm just kind of bending it over. It's not very far at all. That might have even been a smidge too far, but that's okay. So next, we're going to measure from the bottom up 3/4 of an inch. And then we're going to bend the grapes up towards the top. Okay, so I marked that at 3/4 of an inch from the bottom to here with my Sharpie. And now we're going to bend that forward. So I'm just putting the bar, if I can get a hold of it, right on that line. I know my hand gets in the way here, but so I don't know if you saw that. I was here on the line and I lifted it up and I kind of slid it forward just a smidge. Because I still want that to be at the bottom, that line, but it's not going to be if I just bend it in exactly one spot. Okay. So now, when I've got this far, it doesn't really want to go anymore. Let me get my block over. So what I do is hammer it up with the mallet. Kind of get as much as I can there. And then start hammering. And then I'm going to readjust because you saw it move up some, so I'm going to readjust it. So you can see I'm holding pressure on the arbor press. Let's see, are we there? Just about, a little bit more. That's pretty good. I might pull that top out a smidge. But you can see how simple that is to get a cute little tabby necklace that's really unique. And that took maybe, what, 5 minutes? And super cute little necklace. Thanks for watching.